right. What more can I do with DTF? So sometimes we talk here on two regular guys about increasing your offerings without investing in new equipment or new processes, without spending money. That's the bottom line. Here's one of those opportunities if you're already either printing DTF transfers or jobbing out DTF production. What more can I do with DTF? I think we all know that by now that you can print a DTF transfer on or heat apply onto most any garment fabric from 100% cotton to 100% polyester. The beauty of this product is its versatility, but are you getting the most out of your DTF transfers? Besides printing the front or the back of a shirt, I'm going to assume you know you can print on the sleeves, but if not, you can print on the sleeves. A sleeve is a great place to add your logo or your customer's logo. I used to offer discounts for allowing my logo on the sleeve of the shirt. I had 100% success making that request. Now, I didn't say to the college bookstore where that my biggest customer that could I put my logo on the sleeve, but I said it to the archery club. I said it to the PTO, people like that, and for a discount, my logo on the sleeve. The next garment location is adding a size label inside the shirt or even outside on the back. I was talking to a decorator recently who said, I don't put my label inside the shirt. I put my customer's label inside the shirt. And I thought that was a brilliant a value added option that that customer was offering. Decorating shirts for a business, add 4 or 6 small transfers onto the same image and print those on coasters. You know, the cork-like porous kind? Your cost is minimal, but I'll guarantee this customer will remember and appreciate you, and those coasters are going to be sitting right there on their desk. You can buy 50 of those cork coasters on Amazon right now today for $16. Outside of embroidery, DTF has taken over a big slice of the decorated cap marketplace. But are you decorating the mesh sides? If you're not, you're missing an opportunity again for value added. They look really cool, and almost no one is doing it. So you can be unique in a world of same old, same old. Field notebooks. You know those tan colored craft paper blank notebooks for notes and sketches and anything you want to scribble down. You've seen nerds like me carrying them around trade shows and conferences, or as a true fact, carrying it around Central Park for taking notes for my next book. True story. They're porous and perfect for a DTF transfer application. Your customer's logo or a graphic on the front, and a subtle logo or your own small logo on the back. You can buy 4 dozen on Amazon today for $20. I checked last night. It's a great and useful product that won't go in a drawer or in the trash. People will use them and remember you for it. So I'm sure our listeners can share dozens of other products they apply DTF transfers to. I say this, if it has a porous texture and you could fit it on a flat heat press or a rounded cap press, let's decorate it. Add value, add profit. That's my secret sauce for today.